up, y'all? I'm Avian Azurin, and in today's episode, we are on day 2 for me, going to Catalina Island from Long Beach. Yesterday, I went to the first event hosted by the Seadoo Social Club. It was so much fun. You guys gotta check it out. The video link will be above here. I mean, hopefully we'll be coming to a city near you or even in your own city. But today I'm taking my friends from Texas to come and do this ride. They are starting off this road trip with me because I've been at Club BRP doing the reveal of the 2025 models. And we've got Joshanji right over here and Fernando, and then Keith over there, and y'all know Janet. And they've never been to Catalina Island, so we gotta show them a good time. And our plan today is to show them around Catalina Island, go to 2 harbors, go to Avalon, go on the other side that I've never been to, and they're gonna be actually staying there overnight. We're gonna go early. It's first come, first serve to get a moor, that's a buoy in the water, and then they give you a lift to the island. And I will ferry back because I have the dogs in the RV, in the motorhome. And for you guys that are wondering, how do you make sure that they're okay? Well, I have Waggle, I have the camera, and Karina's over there. Waggle monitors the AC temperature in the RV and tells me if there's a power outage and the humidity. And then I usually work something out with somebody that's already at the RV site. And then I have a bunch of cameras around everywhere, so I gotta check on my pups. But all right, let me hurry up. They're waiting for me on the water and put up all this stuff. We go meet up with everybody over here. We're gonna go over a little bit of safety to make sure I bring them across because they've never done this before. We got the group here. We're heading in the no wake zone. I'm launching my Wavy boating app that's on the on the BRP Go, and I can't wait to start using Navionics on the GPX Limited 325. Sea lions. All right, first stop, the buoy with all the sea lions. So this is the first time Janet's seen the sea lions. Have you ever seen sea lions in the water?
No, in the water, not that close.
Okay, how'd you like it?
Love it. Love it.
All right, how'd y'all like the sea lions? Good. Have y'all ever seen them before? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Well, I got some good photos of y'all. You think we're gonna see some dolphins?
Yes, and whales.
Oh, yeah, I heard that there is whales. But you know what? I think they're gonna be my good luck charm, and I'm gonna actually see some dolphins today. Because yesterday they saw hundreds, but I wasn't in that group that saw the hundreds. Some dolphins. See, I guess they are good luck charms.
Today was the day.
Today. It was beautiful. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna see way more and Karina gets to see it. So right now we're gonna go to Avalon, which is over there. how blue it is. Look at that. Or maybe it's just my glasses. Pulled into Avalon. I'm gonna go over there into the harbor. If you're gonna come here, you need to have a radio, because if you want to get a moor, you'll have to go to channel 12. And then they'll come to you after you make the request. You'll have to pay to moor your watercraft. Then you have another channel that you'll call for them to come get you on a little boat to take you to land. And it's first come, first serve. Well, I just called Harbor Dispatch and they said, just talk to the guy in the red and gray boat and he will assign it to us. Talked to the Harbor Patrol guy and he said that there are no more buoys. Like I said, it is first come, first serve, but he's telling me to go to Joe's something. It's on the left side of the pier, and they have places for watercraft under 20 feet. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they have a spot for us. Excuse me. Do y'all know where Joe's Harbor, Joe's something? Yes. Oh, y'all are Joe's. So Harbor Patrol sent me over here to see if y'all have any buoys or docks or anything for overnight. Yes. We have 4 watercrafts. 4. All right, y'all. So there's a little bit of a setback of just a little bit. They luckily had a place for us to buoy overnight, but it won't be available till 1:30. So we had to anchor right here. It was okay. They said we could anchor right there. And you know what? I'm pretty proud of Janet. Janet jumped in the water, actually. Normally I'm the one that has to jump in the water and do all that, but she took care of it. I anchored in the back. We put the other 2 hooked up, created tension, and she put an anchor in the front, and now we're all set. Now we're gonna get something to eat because somebody's about to get hangry and he's not feeling well. Look at Janet in her wetsuit. I said she did a good job. She did a good job. Check out this video. She was in the water. Look at that girl. I taught her well. I didn't have to jump in the water. Why? All right, so we're back on the water and we're gonna go right over there to our buoy. Look at that, Catalina Adventure Tour. Maybe I should go on one.
It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day.
Are you feeling better, sir?
Much better.
Okay.
It's a new day.
Next time I'm gonna have to bring ginger chewies for you.
It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it ride what it likes.
All right, y'all. So we just finished up. It was amazing there. I was just following. You know, Janet has her own personal photographer, videographer when we go swimming. But yeah. This is definitely a must if you come to Catalina Island, and it's free. You just go right here. You walk down the stairs, and all the fish is just waiting for you, and the kelp.
The second floor is like a ballroom, and they're still using it because they're putting tables and stuff.
Okay.
And they have all the flyers from 1987, all the flyers that they, all the balls that they made.
So is it a movie theater or like
It's
acting?
actually a movie theater because they still show up. They have like movies over there that they will show up.
Oh, okay.
Like the concession area that you can buy stuff on this side. It's pretty nice.
Okay.
And the bathrooms look
Thank you.
pretty amazing.
She was the tour guide. Now it's time to head back from Avalon to Long Beach, California. You can book your ticket on CatalinaExpress.com. They have several departure times throughout the day, but make sure to reserve your ticket way in advance, especially if you're going to be going on a weekend, because they do sell out. This is the general seating area. I upgraded for the Commodore Lounge. The upgrade includes priority check-in and boarding, upstairs seating, and a complimentary drink and snack. A ferry ticket can cost you $42 or $62. It was a comfortable ride back and I got to relax. The water looked a bit choppy, but I barely felt it while riding on the ferry. And it only took a little over an hour to get back. It was a short 10-minute walk to our RV site and I was ready to relax. Ooh, I'm tired. I'm ready to eat some dinner, take a shower, and go to sleep. And then restart tomorrow.